In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to the conversation inbox in Hubspot. Using emojis in your conversations can make your replies feel more friendly, human, and engaging, especially when you're chatting with customers or leads. Let's walk through exactly how to do this inside the Hubspot conversation inbox, step by step, so you know where everything is and how it works. First, you'll want to be inside your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. At the top, look for the section labeled CRM. Hover over that, and from the drop-down, choose Inbox. This is where all of your conversations live, whether they're coming from chat, email, or other connected channels. Once you're in the inbox, you'll see a list of conversations on the left-hand side. These might be support questions, sales inquiries, or general messages from your website chat. Click on any conversation where you want to respond. This will open the full thread in the main area of the screen, showing the history of messages between your team and the contact. Now, look toward the bottom of the conversation view. You'll see the reply area, which is the text box where you compose your response. This is the same place you would normally type an email reply or a chat message back to the contact. In the toolbar of that reply box, you should see a small emoji icon that looks like a smiley face. This is your emoji picker. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your window is maximized and that you're looking at the full toolbar, because sometimes icons can be hidden if the window is too narrow. Click on the emoji icon, and a panel will open showing a variety of emojis you can use. You'll typically see categories and a search field, so you can quickly find the emoji that matches the tone of your message. Take a moment to scroll through or search for the one you want. When you find an emoji that fits your reply, simply click it. Hubspot will automatically insert that emoji right into your reply where your cursor is positioned. You can add multiple emojis, place them in the middle of a sentence, or add them at the end of your message for a friendly sign-off. Once you're happy with your response and your emojis look good, go ahead and send your reply as usual.